There is an ancient art in the meat world that can transform any ordinary piece of meat into a work of art, and the more love you give it, the better results you get. That is what we call dry aging.
Today, after waiting for a long time, I'm finally able to try these two beautiful ribeyes we have here. The only difference is this baby here was dry aged for 30 days and this one was dry aged for 60 days. Those are the most common amount of time people dry age for, and today we're going to find out if waiting for 2 months is worth it or not. But before getting into the video, I want to let you guys know that we have a giveaway going on right now that I think you guys are going to love. More information at the end of the video.
If you ever tried dry aged beef before, you already know that is an experience difficult to forget. Dry aging in a temperature and humidity control area draws the moist from the beef and breaks down the collagen, leaving you with a more tender and with a more concentrated flavor. The fats get richer, the meat's tender, and the crust is unbelievable.
The entire idea of the dry aging process is to control the decay of the meat and allow the bacteria and funguses to work their magic to the point that most of the moist is removed from it, allowing only the most amazing flavors, the most beautiful colors, and the smell that only dry-aged meat can produce. It's amazing.
If you think about it, meat is about 70% water, and that water is the factor that takes the flavor away from it. So if you lose a good percentage of that moist, what's left is a more concentrated flavor. Once you start dry aging, the first signals of the dry aging process will be the formation of a dry layer that will surround the entirety of the meat.
The goal is to have this layer created as soon as possible, as that will protect the meat underneath and also allow it to lose moisture at the same time. In a regular dry aging, this protective layer will be created within a week of the process.
Of course, that layer will be trimmed out before cooking, so we can all enjoy the true jewel of the process, the beautiful meat inside. Beef has a very complex internal structure, and by breaking some of those proteins down will make the meat tender as well as flavorful.
The most common dry aged steak you will find in any restaurant will be from 28 to 30 days.
A piece of meat dry aged for that amount of time will have all the characteristics of an amazing dry aged steak, but it's also great for the restaurants as they need to keep serving their meats as soon as they can. For me, a 30 days dry aged beef will give me all the smells and colors I'm looking for without having to wait a long time. It is the perfect compromise between time and perfection.
But if 30 days give you all that nuttiness, what about if we double the time?
Getting your meat to 60 days can be risky. You are not only spending more time waiting for it to be done, but a lot of bad things can happen within 60 days. I tried 60 days dry aged meat before, and for me it's amazing, but I never got the chance to compare one next to the other like we're doing today. But for my wife, 60 days has always been a bit too much. She finds the flavors too strong to the point that she can't eat too much of it.
You can feel the meat melting in your mouth and the umami flavor bursting off your nose in such a way that you feel you're falling into a trance.
Yes, I know, those streams can be used for burgers or anything else you might like. If you ever do that, just remember to rehydrate them a bit before grinding the meat. Because this is an experiment, I will be adding only salt and pepper to the steaks and treat them both the same through the cooking. And as always, remember to allow the meat to rest with the spices for at least 30 minutes before cooking, and allow that salt to work on the surface of the meat to make the crust even more crispy and wonderful. Also remember this, the dry age process will remove most of the moisture from your steak. That means the meat can overcook very easily if you don't keep an eye on it. I will allow my steaks to be in the cool zone of the grill until it reaches 100 degrees internal temperature. And also the searing should be cut in half, meaning that if you normally sear your meat for 2 minutes per side, when grilling dry age you should do it for only 1 minute per side. Dry aged beef can dry up really quickly, and even though the meat will be great even when it's cooked or well done, it will not be as juicy as it will normally be. And always allow the steak to rest for about 10 minutes before cutting into them. Meanwhile, I would like to invite you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video.
Well, Miss Ninja, I have two beautiful steaks here for you to try today.
I know, I can't wait. I can see it from
Smell.
here.
The smell is amazing, guys.
No, but the art, look at this. The colors are like so rich.
You know what?
Sorry, my mouth is already watering. I'm
It's
sorry.
so windy here that I put
Yes.
these things together really nice and the wind came and that's it, man. I was like, that's art. Leave it like that. I don't care anymore.
But it's a beautiful night.
It's a beautiful night.
It's windy.
The weather is changing here in Florida and it's amazing, guys. We're
It's
loving
amazing.
this thing.
Yes.
But Miss Ninja, we have to give it a try and you have to tell me which one is your best. We
Okay.
have here number A and we have number B. All right, so we're gonna give it a try and Miss Ninja is gonna tell me which she's impressed the most.
Let's do it.
Okay? All right,
Ready?
Miss Ninja, here we go. Number A.
Number 8. Oh, wow. I love the flavor. I know what it is already. Because it tastes like tasajo. I always say
Wow.
it.
Wow. Wow, guys, this thing is amazing.
This is art.
This is so good.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Mm-hmm.
I cannot judge it yet. We have to give it a try to number B and then we say, okay?
There we go.
Let's go for number B. All right, guys, let's go for number B.
Number B.
Wow.
Hmm.
Oh my God. Wow.
Even the table is walking away. I have a winner already.
Wow, Miss Ninja.
Yeah?
All right,
Love the
Miss
flavor
Ninja.
too.
Which of those two you like the most?
Number 8. Why are you laughing so hard?
Because I knew you were going to get number A.
What is number 8? By the way?
Guys, number B is delicious, brother.
And
Number B
sisters.
is so amazing. Okay, we have 2 dry age here. We have 30 days dry age and we have 60 days dry age. And I told you guys that she likes the 30 days better because it have a milder flavor. The umami is not that intense. It doesn't get into your nose and mess with your brain
I
and
love
all
it.
that stuff. But in 60 days, guys, wow.
Wow.
It is amazing. As you
Wow.
can see in the restaurants, they mostly do 30 days, and that's more people love that. I mean,
Yes.
it is amazing,
It is
guys.
amazing,
It
the
is really
flavor.
good. But that 60 day have that extra kick in there. That is nothing. There is nothing you can compare with that. That is amazing. All right, guys. As I promised you, let me tell you something, man. We have a giveaway, and it's
Oh,
a giveaway
yes.
that is amazing.
Yes.
Because the best thing is we are doing a beef away every month, guys.
Oh, I love that name. The Beef Away. Love it.
It's a beef. That's a beef away.
You said Beef Away.
Well, this one is a beef away.
It's a Beef Away.
In this giveaway this month, we have the
Beef
Ninja
away.
box. Huh?
The Beef Away.
In this beef away this month, we have the Ninja box,
Yes.
which is an amazing Black Angus certified Argentinian beautiful 3.5 picanha. And we have the whole amazing, beautiful 3.5 pounds strip loin. And then you guys can do the same test that we did the other day. That was picanha versus the Ninja steaks that you cut the strip loin backwards. You know how it is? It is amazing, delicious, and you should give it a try.
Yes,
That
you
is
should.
from the Argentinian cut. And leaving the links on the description. You can go and check the store. He's going to be shipping to you guys. And all you have to do is 2 things. First, you have to live in the continental US. Second, you have to go to our website, saltytales.tv
Right
and
here.
subscribe to the newsletters. We're gonna be getting
simple.
everybody that subscribes in the newsletters, and we're gonna get a random person from there, and that's gonna be the winner every month of a
Every
great
month?
giveaway. This is now, guys, but we're gonna come out with some impressive things, and you really want to be in that list in there because you're gonna be the winner of an amazing
Listen to that,
Crazy.
sisters.
giveaway.
Come on, sign up. Sign up so you can give it to your hubby and cook it for you.
Now let me ask you something, man. Did we make you hungry?
Did we?
If we made you hungry, you have to hit us with the like.
Lots of likes.
Subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and
Yes,
family,
yes,
and don't forget to leave your comments down there. I
Down
know
there,
you guys
down
are gonna
there.
have your own flavor. I know many of you guys
I
tried
love
this
it.
thing before, and it's amazing. And if you haven't tried it, man, go and check the videos that we have about dry aging because
Yes.
it's crazy good.
It is.
It's something from another planet. That's all for today. But remember that I love you.
Mwah. I love you too. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.
See ya.
Bye.